Today we're looking into hashtag girls dinner. What is hashtag girls dinner? Do we even want to know?
This is my meal. I call this girl dinner.
Girl dinner, girl dinner,
Girl dinner! Am I right?
I assume it's just girls eating food, right? Like, can't be that complicated. I'm not on TikTok, so I have no clue, so let's look into it.
This is my meal. I call this girl dinner. Girl dinner! Girl dinner! Girl dinner! Oh, girl dinner!
What? That's just pickles for dinner. I'm so confused. Like, for real? It's from a channel called Health Food, so they're supposed to share healthy food. I mean, pickles are pretty healthy food, but if it's just for dinner only?
This is my meal. I call this girl dinner. Girl dinner! Girl dinner! Girl dinner! Oh, girl dinner!
I still don't get it. They're not proper meals. What are we getting ourselves into? Drinking Red Bull for dinner is a meal? I don't know, man. What do you guys think? Next.
This is my meal. I call this girl dinner. Girl dinner! Girl dinner! Girl dinner! Oh, girl dinner!
I feel like this one's a little bit better. It looks like whole wheat biscuits and there's some cheese. But that's a snack, that's not dinner. None of these so far looks like a dinner meal to me. Is this satire? Are they for real? I just don't believe that this is real. Because if it is, it's getting quite dark. We're not gonna glorify eating nothing or eating less for dinner. What is this video about? Oh my god. When you're cooking but your girlfriend's on that girl's dinner crowd. Okay, this is an actual thing. I'm starting to think that half of this is satire and half of it is real. I'm shocked.
This is my meal. I call this girl dinner. Girl dinner! Girl dinner! Girl dinner! Oh, girl dinner!
First of all, it looks like she doesn't even enjoy it. She looks sad about it. Like, come on, that's not a meal. If you're eating like something so not nutritious, you're gonna get hungry too quickly and that's just pointless. This could be my snacks, but definitely not a main meal. Like, where's the protein? I hope this is not real, but at this point, I feel like it's real.
The girl dinner trend keeps popping up on my For You page, and it's pretty much just girls posting pictures of their dinners, which consist of like 14 pickles, 7 Triscuits, and like 2 slices of cheese. And I'm all for a snacking dinner, okay? I love a good graze. However, that literally could never be me, okay? I need a 14-pound tub of pasta. I need an entire salmon, like the entire fish, with 2 potatoes and a quart of vegetables for dinner. Like, I need so much food to be full and satisfied that just could never work for me. Like, looking at these pictures that are popping up on my For You page, I'm like, that's your dinner? That is a 3 p.m. trip to the kitchen for me. Like, that, what?
She's right. I normally have a big slab of protein, need carbs because I need to stay satiated, and need a bit of fat so I stay full for longer. So my proper meal is a big plate of vegetables, carbs, and protein. There's even a girls' dinner filter on TikTok. TikTok is actually promoting girls' dinner. Why is this so normalized on TikTok? What is TikTok doing to the world? Okay, let's look into this stuff. Mustard for dinner? That's a sauce! How is that a dinner? Okay, drinks. This is the worst. This filter is just trolling me.
Here is my understanding of the term girl dinner. The only solid rule is that you need to have eaten something. Can't be just drinks, can't be just sleep. It's mostly ingredients. You could put the effort in, but you're not going to.
Girls' dinner is just being lazy, honestly. Being lazy with food, choosing the easiest option. Like, I get it that sometimes we're just so tired, we just want to eat something to fill our little belly and then sleep. But that's not something we do every day. And it shouldn't be named as girls' dinner because it sounds like it's something that girls should do. Like, this just sounds like it's glorifying it and normalizing it when it's not even supposed to be a thing. There's just so many red flags with this. Okay, next one.
When did the girl dinner trend turn into let me show you how little I can eat trend? Eating less than the girl that you see on TikTok, eating less than your sister, your friend, or the person next to you, that's not a flex. Because the idea is not oh, girl dinner, we're eating so little, so cute. It's like we're lazy and we're just having fun throwing things together.
Yeah, eating less is not a flex, but it really does sound like it's a flex. Like even Red Bull for dinner, that's a flex. It's just insane. You need to be feeding your body every single day. That's very, very, very important, all right? I've only watched these many TikToks to think that there's a problem with this trend that has gotten a little bit too much. This is like the problem with TikTok. When someone created a trend, everyone wants to hop on it to get views, right? To compete for views, people are gonna do something more and more extreme. It's almost like they're trying to do something that's really unreasonable so that they get views. And that's why it's getting darker and darker, where people are eating less and less and less and more unreasonable. Like half of this are just for show, which I get, and for jokes. But some people actually believe this and do it for real.
This is my meal. I call this boy dinner.
Oh, ew! Ew! That's gross. Please tell me you guys are not this filthy. A pizza box has no right to be anywhere near your bed sheets because it's just gonna get greasy, okay? But as disgusting as it is, 2 slices of these pizzas are still better than eating pickles for dinner, a few biscuits for dinner, or Red Bull for dinner. Pizzas are still better. Oh my goodness.
This is my meal. I call this girl dinner.
Oh.
Girl dinner.
That was disgusting. Alright, I think that's enough TikTok and hashtag girl dinner for me. I feel like it's really easy to come across the wrong side of TikTok. Always people trying to do things for views, and they are not exactly things that are healthy or positive for people. I mean, there's always the good side of TikTok, like people posting really funny and entertaining content and all of that. So yeah, I feel like that's the thing with TikTok. Like you just gotta be wise with what you watch. But young impressionable kids might not know. So that's the only danger of TikTok. I'm gonna put up some photos of what your dinner should look like. I'll leave some links if you wanna learn more about your food intake and what counts as eating enough. And also, if you believe that you have an eating disorder or recovering from one, please seek help from a professional. I'll leave some resources as well in the video description. Okay guys, be kind to yourself, feed yourself, and take care of yourself, and get off TikTok if it's harming your mental health. Okay? Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!